What's up everybody? Hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the screen lock settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to learn how to set screen lock in your device, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to set screen lock in your device Vivo Y22s.